Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and then search for VS Code and browse this URL code.visualstudio.com and then click on this download button. Now select the Visual Studio Code Windows installer. From here, I am going to download the Visual Studio Code installer for Windows 64-bit operating system installer for all users. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, navigate to download folder and open this installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then select yes. Accept the license agreement, then click on next, then click on next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut icon, check this box, then click on next. The setup is now ready to begin installing Visual Studio Code on your computer. So click on install button. It may take a while for installing Microsoft Visual Studio Code. That's it. Visual Studio Code installed successfully. Check this box to launch Visual Studio Code right now. Then click on finish. And here you will see a desktop shortcut icon. Let's get started with VS Code. I am going to choose the theme, colored theme. So you can select the default theme from this list, or you can install additional color themes. Search here and select the theme that you want to use from this list. I am going to select this theme. Okay, then click on this mark done. Also, you can install icon theme. This is the most popular icon theme, material icon theme. And also Visual Studio Code has its own icon theme. You can install this theme. Now select the file icon theme from this drop down list. You can use the material icon theme or VS Code icon theme. That's it. I am going to create a new HTML file. Within the extension HTML. If you want to use the AI tool, you must sign in to use AI features with your GitHub or Google or your Apple account. I'm going to create a simple HTML page, and if you want to increase the font size, open preferences, then settings. Now increase the editor font size, and also you can check this box to format a file on save. That means when you format a file, it will be saved. And also if you want to enable the auto save, select this. Okay, now I'm going to add a new tag here. Notice that the file automatically saved. Now I'm going to install a most popular live preview of the HTML page, live server. Install this extension. It may take a while. Okay, now go back to the HTML page and go to the bottom right side of the editor. Here you will see a button named Go Live. Then click here. We need a folder or workspace to use the live server. So I'm going to create a new folder to name my site and open this. Now trust the authors. Okay, now go live, allow, and see the output. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.